Have you guys been using the Character AI app and want to learn on how to enable the AI voice on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice in the Character AI app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Character AI app. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this. Now, to enable the chat, simply tap on to Explore button right here. Now you need to go to the chats. Now tap on it. Now choose one of the chats that you want to chat to the Character AI. Now tap onto one just like this. Then here you can find something like this. Now here you can find there is a voice option just right here. Now to enable it, simply tap onto this button at the top right corner just right here. Just like this. Now wait for a few seconds and now you can see the voice is enabled. Now you can simply play the voice just like this. And that's it. This is how you can enable the Character AI voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.